Hi and welcome back to the Simple Web Start Learning Centre, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to add a Google map to your website. So what I'll do, I'll leave you a link in the description so you can find this page, and if you look under Classroom Hub you've got Sitebuilder Demo, which will bring you to this page here, and then click on Free Online Site Builder. Now you can use this if you've not got a website with us, and you can see how the site builder actually works, and then later on if you decide you want a real website, then obviously you can have a look at the hosting that we supply. So if you have got hosting with us, obviously then go to your control panel, then to your editor, and then you'll be able to watch this video. So if we click on this, this will open the online editor for all your templates, and as you know you can add more templates, but let's say in this example we will use this one. And then what we'll need to do is you've got the welcome guide, and then you've got the assistance, but under demo, as we know, it's not available. But if you've got any questions, like I say, happy to answer any of your questions. Just go onto the contact form and send me an email, and then I'll be able to help you further. So if we just come out of that, so to add a location map, let's scroll right down to the bottom of the page, and we're going to click here. And then if we go on to apps, and then if we look for the location map, now if you don't find it on this one, you can actually go to content and then go down to these apps as well, and there you go, there's the block for it, and this is the block that's coming up. And what you can do is you can go here and you can manage the module, so we can go in here, and this is the actual map. And if you added your business address or whatever address you want to put in there, it will then locate you on the map. There's optional settings as well, so you can zoom in if you want, and you can change the pixel width and height. When you've done all that, save changes, and then as you can see, this map has been added here for you. And there you go, that's how you actually add a Google map to your website. If you have not already subscribed, then please do, and then I can keep you updated on all the new videos that I'm going to add later on. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.